Hello, welcome to the Tunisian Crochet Graphghan Boutique and another live with me, Jessica. I figured I'd pop on real quick this morning. We had a live yesterday that was shared to the group from our Tunisian page, and I wanted to follow up and see if anybody had any questions about anything that we talked about yesterday, because I know we went over a ton of information. So usually we leave our lives up for an extended period of time. So if there's not a lot of questions on this one, we will actually take this one down. But I just wanted to pop on real quick and see if anybody had any questions about anything that happened yesterday. Like I said, I know that there was a ton of information on there. We went over the corner-to-corner entrelock and how to start it and do the outside blocks. So I just wanted to make sure that everybody had a chance to watch the video from yesterday. If you haven't, when you scroll through the group, the live from yesterday will come up. Give that a watch if you haven't watched it, and if there's any questions you have, don't hesitate to ask. This is a teaching group, and we love to help here. So, again, I just wanted to pop on real quick, see if anybody had any questions about anything that we talked about yesterday. We will be releasing the graft block. The graft block, since we're doing a baby blanket, will be released here in the group. You will work up the graft block according to the graph, and I will add a link to the graft block here shortly, probably this evening when I get home. So I'm going to add the first baby graft block onto the page, like I said, this evening, and that'll give you guys an opportunity to go out and grab whatever yarns you want to use or whatnot. I think for the one that I will be doing, I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure whether I will be using 3 or 4 colors for mine, but there will be a background color, and then your main color that you're using that's going to be the graph section is either going to be pink or blue or both, depending on what you want. I might be using pink and blue. I might be using pink and purple. I might be mixing the two, so I'm not sure yet. But each block, when you get it, it's up to you to decide where you want to use what color at. Most of the blocks will use, those are like 80 stitches by 80 stitches. So most of them, 1,000, I think I figured out that they were using like 500 yards. I don't know. I will definitely post all of that. This evening when I do a post, it's going to show how much yarn you need. And it's going to give the graph, link to the graph. And I will also have this up in Payhip probably, I'm thinking tomorrow I can have the graph in Payhip. The graph will be $1 if you want to buy the graph with the written directions. So that will have the right and left-handed directions for a buck. Each one of the blocks, and there's 8 of them that we're doing. But it's going to be up to you. You can mix and match the blocks. The blocks are going to be free while we're doing them here in the group, but it's just going to be the graph that's going to be posted. So if you do want the written with all of the blocks counted out, like I said, I'm going to put the link for Payhip. The Payhip one will go up tomorrow, but like I said, it's $1. So, does anybody have any questions? Does anybody need anything? think yesterday pretty much covered that, you know, and that's the thing too. We're starting just the first block, so I did go a little bit and give more description yesterday, so that if you wanted to work a non-graphed block, you could start and get yourself built up. But like I said, tomorrow I probably will have my block started and my colors picked out. I wasn't sure whether I was going to go with the pink and blue or green and yellow, because green and yellow is gender neutral, so either way this would work up. I'm kind of on the fence currently, so I'll see how that goes. A gray and yellow would work up nice too. So see comments. I see who's watching. I see Mimi and Deborah and Jackie and Laura and Lisa. I feel like Romper Room. I see you all in the magic mirror. And if you're not old enough to get that, I apologize. I'm showing my age. Alright guys, I guess I really don't see any questions. So go over and check out that live from yesterday. Give that a watch. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask questions in the group. This is a teaching group, and we are always here to help. There will be more videos coming here shortly. We do have a YouTube channel, but there will also be new videos going to that YouTube channel as well. I am waiting for my new phone holder to come in. They sent me one, and I was so excited. And I took it out of the box, and I did everything, and when I set it up, it was cracked. And it's cracked in a place that there is no amount of glue that was going to fix it or hold it together. So I had to return it, and so they've got to issue me another one. So hopefully that will be in shortly. I will be back in to check the group in a few hours. I have to take my car down to get it inspected. So I am going to pop off here. And like I said, please, if you guys have any questions, this is a teaching group. We do not mind answering questions for like the 1,000,000th time, because we love teaching here. And if you need one-on-one help, or you're struggling with something, don't hesitate to send me a message or tag me in the group and say, hey, you know, is there a convenient time for you? And we can talk. So I do offer one-on-one here. And yes, it's free. Alright guys, I will see you on the flip side. If anybody has any questions or needs anything, let me know. Thanks for joining me this morning. Bye guys.